Hello, my name's Hayley and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be telling you what I bring on a thru hike for 5 nights, 6 days. So everything we'll be carrying on my back, and my backpack is an Osprey 45-litre Lumina. So let's just get straight in. I've sectioned this out, so I'm going to start with food and like kind of cooking system. So one thing that I have is a microfiber towel. It's only a hand towel, it's small, but it's perfect for if you're making food in, say you've cooked the food outside and then you decide you want to just make the food in the tent because it might be cold or raining, just to place this on the ground so no food leaves the mat, and it works perfectly for us on the first night. I've washed it now with Castile soap and the soap here, and it's fresh now and we can use it again for anything. You can use it for wiping sweat or washing yourself or whatever. So it's multifunctional and I love it. Loads of birds floating around now. So the next thing I have is a stasher bag, and it's a reusable kind of Ziploc bag, but I use this for like storing my snacks in, to have in the front of my bag for during the day, because my food bag is so heavy I have to have it in the bottom of the pack. So I just keep what I need kind of at hand's reach. So I'll show you filming that. Then our cooking system. So we have this camping gas. Yeah, we've got a camping gas stove and we've had it for like 3 years, or 2 years. It's good, very good. It's reliable. And with that we'd use a lighter, because there's no ignition on that one. And then to match that we have the camping gas, 450 gram gas, which Sean carries. Thank you, Sean. He also carries our tent, which is the Big Agnes Copper Spur UL3 classic version. So back to food. Then I have this kind of steel kind of, we use it for cleaning the dishes, and then no dirt really gets stuck to it, so it's perfect. Again, the soap for everything. It's multi-purpose, so you can use it for yourself, you can use it for your clothes, your dishes, whatever. And then I have this pot and a pan, and this came in a set. It's clean, it's just a bit blank. And then a lid for the pot. So all together it's just like a nice little set like that. And then what I eat out of is this little plastic cup. It was like $2.50 in the hardware store, and I've got Caribbean on it. So I hook that to my bag so it sits on the outside of my pack. And then this is my food bag. So all of that will get stored in here too. But this is a 20-litre dry bag full of food, which is heavy. And then I have this little kind of cutlery set, and one's a plastic spork and the other two are kind of like stainless, but they're quite light and small, so I like having them. And then I'm just going to pack my stasher bag now. So I just have dates and nuts, a packet of olives. I'll put a Diarolite in there too. So for electrolytes, I'm using Diarolite. I'll have one in the morning before I go at breakfast, and then I'll also have one maybe during the day. Yeah, so because we're going to be passing through Glendalough today, I've decided that I'm going to just stock up, resupply on snacks and stuff then, because I've only got like a few snacks left.
Looking good.
We'll be having some meals like lunches and stuff. Got bagels, so that will be in a separate video, so stay tuned for that. I'll go through everything I bring food wise. So just before we move on then, I'll just show you, this is my water bottle. It's a 1 litre Nalgene, and we just fill this up before we go. And we have been using this Sawyer water filter to filter our water from the lake, so I will show you that when we get to that compartment in my bag. But yeah, so we'll move on to the next dry bag. Okay, so the next bag we're going to go through. Here's my dry bag for my clothes. So this is what I brought with me. So we'll start with my rain gear. It was raining on the first day and then a bit yesterday too, but I only had to wear my rain jacket yesterday, but the pants were on all day on the first day. And they're just the Columbia rain pants. They have like an opening up the side so you can slide them on over your boots, which is pretty cool. Then I have a Patagonia Torn Shell rain jacket. And it's very lightweight and it packs away nicely. Buff, one of them, of two. Then I have just these Nike shorts, and then a Craighopper shirt. This is like good for mozzies and stuff, and then just a sports bra. And then I have these socks, and the blue socks are Bridgedale. And then I also have these socks that are Smart Wool, which I've been wearing, but then they were a bit wet yesterday when I had them on, and then I got blisters today, so, or when I came home yesterday, and I finished the walk yesterday, so I'm just giving these a rest. I might just wear the blue for the next 2 days, and then wash these at the next B&B. And then I got these Patagonia pants that Sean got me for my birthday, and they're rock climbing pants, but they're really stretchy, very dry wicking, and amazing. Like, I've never had trousers like it. I will leave the name on the screen. It's almost lost stock. And then I have this Nike just dry fit top, very lightweight, stretchy. I've worn it again of a day with that probably. I was going to wear it today, but might try the shirt, we'll see. And then I have my down jacket, which is a Rab down jacket, really comfy, really nice. Would definitely recommend it. Yeah, I have a second sports bra for like when this one gets blank, and then I need to swap over because I just can't deal with this amount of sweat off me. And then for night time, I've got Lululemon line leggings that I use. They're really nice and comfortable and soft. And then I have, for when we're at B&B's, I have this really lightweight cotton t-shirt. It just comes in handy for like if you're going down to the pub, or like you're just chilling and you don't, you want to be in something comfortable. But it's so lightweight that it doesn't really make a difference to the weight of my pack. And then I have a merino wool icebreaker long sleeve top, and that's for the nights when we're camping, because it is the temperature drops in the night and I don't want to be cold, so I just have that. And then I have a pair of icebreaker merino gloves, and then I have some underwear. We don't need to go through that. So yeah, that's my clothes. Shove them all into the dry bag. I'll leave the rain clothes outside the dry bag, and then I'll put the reason these are in a plastic bag is because they're dirty now and I don't want them to mix up my clean clothes. So I'll wash them and then they can be put back in, but for now they're not going to be touching the clean clothes. Okay, next dry bag. So it's electrical dry bag, so I'll just run through my electricals really quickly. I've got my camera, the tripod that's on, my phone, I've got my smartwatch, and then I've got basically all the chargers for that. Yeah, I've got a power bank with me, a camera battery charger, my Garmin charger, and my phone and power bank charger. Then I've got just an adapter for the wall. In here I also have my glasses because I feel like I'll be more delicate with this bag, so if they're in here there's less chance of them getting smashed. Then I've got our tent fairy lights, some spare batteries and SD cards in 2 Ziploc bags. I've got my headlamp, which is a black diamond headlamp. I've got like a couple of spare batteries. Yeah, Okay, so here's my last dry bag, and it's my kind of toiletries dry bag. And in here, I just have random stuff. Like I'll have a poo bag, like a clean poo bag. The Sawyer cleaning plunger. This is just a casing off the pots and pans, which I'll use to put them in. Then I just have contact lenses, a toothpick, a hair bobbin, plasters, and my toothbrush. Then here's a spare bin liner, so when we're in the tent we don't have a ground mat, so I'll just lay this out, put my pack on it to save the condensation from stuff destroying my pack. Then I have sun cream and paracetamol in case. I have a compression bandage just in case we get injured, some moisturiser. Oh, I need to leave this out. This is just like a self-adhesive dressing for some blisters. Mini hairbrush. And then here's my toothbrush. This is just a head off an electric toothbrush, but it's really small and really lightweight, so I just use that. I'll just throw that in with these. And that's basically all of my toiletries. The Castile soap is what I'd use, say, if I needed to wash myself, but we were in a B&B. So I'll put this back in here with them. Okay, so it's breakfast time now, and I will show you my pack once we finish breakfast, and then we're going to hit the road. So see you in a few minutes.
Some pepper.
We're back from breakfast, and we're going to show you the last part of this packing video. So before we jump into the pack, I'm just going to show you two more things. So my hiking poles that are essential, and I have another fleece buff here for when it's like cold or really windy on the hill, and you just throw this on. But I have a Caribbean to my pole, so it's always going to be there. And then I have my sleeping bag, which is a Rab Ascent 700 downfill, and it's amazing for the camp nights. And now we'll jump into the bag. Here it is. It's the Osprey Lumina 45 litre, and I just have all my bits attached to it. So on the front, this is my thermarest, the z-lite, amazing. I have this cup here for my coffees or whatever, and then I have my plastic cup Caribbean on the front. Then I just have a baseball cap. Then in here I just have like my toilet bag. Then in here I just have flip-flops. And then I have my pegs for our tent. Now, and lastly, in the top pocket, I have bandage, my card and ID, the Sawyer water filter, some mosquito spray or bug spray, sunglasses, tape for blisters, sun cream, diorolite, and lip balm. So I hope you found this video useful. I hope it helps you in some way of trying to organise your pack or kind of know what to bring on a through hike. If you do like this video or you found it useful, please like and subscribe to my channel.